Stop. Before you place your first futures trade, watch this. Most beginners blow their account in the first 3 months and it has very little to do with the actual market. It comes down to skipping this checklist. I know because I did it. 7 years ago, I skipped half these steps and I paid for it. In this video, I'm walking you through every single thing you need to check off before you ever place a live trade. Don't skip a single one. All right, we are gonna go through this checklist in the order that you should be thinking about it. Very first question I asked myself when I got started is, what kind of computer do I need? Well, it's pretty simple actually. You don't need this. 4 monitors, big gaming computer and all that. All you need is a laptop to get started. Just make sure it has at least 16 gigs of RAM, the more the better, and a graphics card that can support at least 2 extra monitors because at some point you're going to want to add those and it'll save you from having to upgrade computers too soon. And then a wireless mouse for sure. The last thing you want to do is trade with a laptop trackpad. It's the worst experience in the world. Don't do that. But you can also check out this video for more, the best futures trading setup for beginner to advanced trading. I go into depth on all of this for the kind of setup you're going to want from beginning to intermediate to advanced. Should check that out. Now that you have your computer, we need to decide on what platform you're using. This is going to be what you see in front of you when you're placing your trades. The charts you load, it's going to be that program. There are a ton of them out there. For example, TradingView, TradeStation, MotiveWave, used all of those. NinjaTrader is what you want though. It is by far the best futures trading platform for retail traders like you and me. It's not really a competition in my book. So check that out. Consider getting that. There's no minimum deposit to open an account. And if you do put money in, you get data for free. If you want to know more about that, check out this video, a complete NinjaTrader tutorial in 7 minutes. I can do a deep dive into that platform. Now that you have your computer and your platform, you're going to need somebody to take care of the trade transactions for you. And that's called a broker. There are a ton of brokers out there. They're the ones when you press buy and sell, they take care of the transactions with the exchange on your behalf. Now you want to make sure one thing, the broker you use is US based. I don't care which one it is. Make sure it's based in the States. They are legit. NinjaTrader itself is a broker. It's not just a platform, so you can use them. They do offer the lowest commission fees per trade, but it does require a lifetime license, which costs some money. If you're going to be trading a high volume like I do, that's absolutely the way to go. Gives you the lowest commission fees out there. If you're not trading a high volume, that doesn't matter then. You can pay the slightly higher commissions on that broker or any other without paying for the lifetime license. You can check that out. That is definitely worth considering because these commission fees, once you do start trading live, are going to be an important thing for you to be tracking. You can learn more about that in this video. NinjaTrader review, is it the best futures trading platform in 2026? It is. I dig in more there. All right, you've got your computer, you've got platform, you've got broker. Now we need a way to trade. You need a system, a reliable system, a repeatable system. Do you know these terms? Stops, targets, entries, setups, technical analysis, revenge trading. If you don't have a trade plan yet. The very best thing that you can do for yourself as a new trader is find a system with an edge and use it the same way every day, forever and ever and ever. Now, finding that can be difficult, much easier said than done. One way is to start using my free futures trading checklist. It's what I use to plan every single trade, and I've made it available to you for free. Just click on the link in the description below. If you want to dive even deeper and shorten your learning curve, find a mentor. There are 1,000 million out there, 11 billion. I offer one-on-one coaching. I don't care if we work together or not. What I care about is you find someone that is trustworthy, that cares about making you a better trader. That's it. If you are interested in working with me, you can book a call. You can explore that option. If not, cool. Hope you enjoy the videos that I put out. My coaching program runs for 12 months, okay? Now you need to make sure you have a journaling system. Too many new traders don't do this from the beginning, and I think pretty early on, you're going to want to have something to journal your trades. Whether it's an Excel DIY spreadsheet or an online journal, you definitely need one. Get used to using one early on. There are many good ones, but you can get 10% off your monthly rate using my link for Trader Insight Pro. It's what I use. It's the best journal out there, in my opinion, and I've used all of them. And that's your complete beginner's futures trading checklist. If you go through every item on this list before you sit down to place your first trade, you're already ahead of 90% of new traders. If this helped you, hit the like button. The sole purpose of this channel is to help you become a better trader. Help me get this channel out there so that I can do just that. If you want to keep building your trading foundation, keep the momentum going, I'll leave a video right here that's perfect for the next step, and I will see you in the next one.